I've done there a few times. So what's it where you had surf or is it a different level of surf? Yeah, great place to learn.
I will let Randy do his fishing tour guide. Yeah? We're ready.
Yeah, right. Hi guys, good morning. So today our schedule, we're not surfing, we touch it, that's it.
Yeah, and they'll usually go as near to you as they want to go. Do you know what I mean? Like they'll be kind of like,
They will swim.
and then the other thing is that if you're going near the rock,
I wear children's goggles.
Which one?
Our captain name is Butu. Say hi to Butu.
There guys, you see all the mountains there. That is the Nusa Penida. Alright guys, so we just arrived on Manta Bay.
goes into your mouth. Yeah. And then when you want to go underwater,
Okay guys, so welcome to Manta Point, yeah?
The wave is, you don't want to paddle too close to the reef basically. When you swim, don't paddle vertical. That's potential gonna kick in the
Ada tuh rame ini. Babli. Okay.
So around this time, I came to the surface and rested on one of the trip leader's boogie boards. It was Rob Barber, the WSL, former pro bodyboarder with the WSL. And he was trying to ask this guy who was on the verge of drowning which boat he was from. He was a tourist. He didn't really speak much English, but he was able to tell us the name of his boat and pointed out this boat had put its passengers in these life jackets that were way too big for them and not adjusted the strap, so a lot of these tourists could not swim and were slipping out of the life jackets. The guy was coughing up water, and so we were able to push him towards the boat on the boogie board. And then we also found another woman from the same boat who was slipped out of her life jacket, and she just had her arms, like the lower half of her arms, hanging out of the armholes in the life jacket, and she couldn't see, couldn't swim, nothing. So that was a very negligent boat captain and tour operator. It, of course, was not the one that we were using. And we also looked down beneath the water surface to see if anybody had slipped below and, was drowning or anything like that. So here you can see where a couple of other tourists in the orange life jackets were clinging on to life rings. We did help them back to their boat as well, but they seemed to be, quite unused to snorkeling and being in the water. It was quite choppy as well and just super, super crowded. So that added to it. And then they couldn't swim and were slipping out of their life jackets. So that was a dangerous situation for them. And really shame on their tour operator. But apparently this is quite common in Bali and in Nusa Penida, where the Manta Rays are located just south of Bali.